what we've hoped for. We had a couple of situations where we had to do some recoveries.
Last week, we promised you we're going to take you to the Brandberg, some unique place in Namibia. And again, I have the privilege to have Jaco Stassen from Ironman AFC with me. Jaco, I think we experienced a lot of things, but I think the biggest thing is the recovery, the winches in full use, full practical. Tell us.
Yes, Francois, as always, it's great to be in nature. And the thing is, we came this weekend to Brandberg not to play cards. We came for fun, and fun we surely had.
And it was.
And I don't think there's a single person that said he did not enjoy what we've done yesterday. The scenery, fantastic. The company, even better. And then yes, there were the mud. And the thing is, yesterday it just showed once again the value of a winch.
Indeed. I mean, if you take, we went in down the Oegap River. Just for our viewers, if you look at the picture, this mud, it's reeds, it's dense, it's vegetation. The risk of getting stuck was not excluded.
Yes, and well, what we've hoped for, we had a couple of situations where we had to do some recoveries. And the thing is, what was very interesting, Francois, is the terrain didn't give you the opportunity to use a snatch wrap.
Indeed, yeah.
So the only way to do the recovery was with a winch, and luckily we had a couple of vehicles, and we had the right winches with a monster Ironman monster winch. And the thing is, the terrain was so difficult. It's dense bush, it's not straight lines, so a snatch wrap wouldn't have done it. And the winch came out tops. Yes, it's an expensive piece of equipment on your vehicle, but in a situation where you really need it, you will pay more than double the price what you're actually paying for it. And it showed yesterday, heavy vehicles, heavy mud, and the thing is, we came out on top. And the thing is, a snatch strap, which we couldn't use in those situations, we used as an extension on the winch cable, and it came out again. It worked perfectly. If you go into a terrain like this, go prepared. That's crucial. You've got to be prepared to before you go into areas like that you've got the correct recovery equipment.
Indeed, and I can tell you, our viewers, and I think all over the world that watching this series, no vehicles were left behind, no animals were injured, no people were injured, and no vehicles were injured.
That's it. A couple of muddy shoes though, and a couple of muddy feet,
yeah.
But that was all part of the fun.
That was all part of the fun. And I think also, for the tourist, if you go into areas like this, if you don't know the terrain, make sure you know the terrain, make sure you've got the right equipment, and if you want to know where to get the equipment,
Ironman 4x4 Namibia, it's available at AFC, the Platinum dealer, and then we've also got dealers in Walvis Bay, Tsumeb, Marinchal, Keetmanshoop, Gubabas. Just have a look on our Facebook page, and the thing is, all the details will be there.
Jaco, thank you very much. What is our next topic? If you're going to go into the field, what must you do? And we all know that Namibia is a harsh area. It's not always easy terrain, so don't go away. We're going to talk the next program about this.